Please, do I know you?
Madam, while I was playing this movie, the Lord have a message for me.
You have a message from God for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because what is the message about?
The Lord says I should tell you that is something big coming your way. Only if you believe. And if you don't believe, that everlasting joy that is coming your way, you will lose it.
What is that thing that will bring everlasting joy for me? Because I'm not expecting anything. As far as I'm concerned here, my life is as useless as nothing. I don't have anything coming my way. I don't know anything.
Madam, don't doubt the will of God. The Bible says in Psalm 30 verse 5b, though weeping may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. Shall we pray, madam? Let's pray. Give me your hands. Glory, honor, power, majesty be unto God. Amen.
There must, the consignment cannot be delivered except you have paid for the previous one. No, that's the right thing. Okay.
Greetings, Father.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm not fine.
Come on. What's the problem? Talk to your father.
Promise me you will listen and do what I ask of you.
Well, it depends on what you're asking. If it's possible, why not? But if it's not, there's really nothing I can do about it.
Father, it is something you can do.
It's okay. Let me hear you.
It's about Mommy Noma. Father, I've been asking you what problem you had with her that made you chase her out of this palace. But you're not saying anything. Father, she's your first wife. She's supposed to be the first queen of Aloma Kingdom, not my mother. She deserves some respect and care. Please, Father. Please.
You have spoken well. I will answer you the question concerning the reason why we were separated up till now. But the problem is you rather still very young to know about family. Maybe someday when you are grown, you understand better. And as for bringing Norma back home here, that is practically impossible. That can happen, at least as long as I live.
Father, telling a girl of my age that she doesn't know anything about family is an insult to me. If not, I'll be traveling to the UK for my master's. And I agree to marry your friend's son. You won't say I don't know anything about family. Father, please. I don't like it. All I am saying is that you should bring Mommy Unoma back to this palace. She belongs here. Even if you don't want to have anything to do with her, fine. At least let's get her out of that God-forsaken place. Please. And since you do not want to tell me what the problem you both had, I promise you I will find out myself. I will.
I am done with this discussion. I need to go up to rest.
What's going on then? What did I miss? Princess, what is going on? What happened?
Mother, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
If you are in Mommy Norma's shoes, how will you feel? Your fellow woman and co-wife was sent out of her husband's house, and you're happy about it. But what kind of a person are you? Where is your conscience?
Wait. Princess, why are you talking to me in that way? Over another woman? That is not even your mother. Eh? Are you insane? Anyway, for your information, I am not and will never be in her shoes because darkness and light has nothing in common. Yes.
So who is light and who is darkness?
Of course, I am the light and your so-called Norma is darkness because she is a witch.
And you think you're right?
What sort of stupid question is that?
It's okay. I don't want to say anything before you say I insulted you. All I am saying is you and Father should do the needful.
Wait, are you walking out on me? Hey, look at this girl. What does she take herself to be? Taking another woman's side over her own mother.
Adam man. Adam bodo evil. Adam na to go. Adam geje na amacha. Dibo. No. No. Hey!
It has not finished though. Calm down. I bought this one for you. Oyege yem.
Abadofo.
Oyege yem.
Egofo.
Oyege yem.
Aboge maunwa.
Oyege yem.
Aboge maunwa.
Oyege yem. Oyege yem.
Akade puta kwenu. Hey!
Mama, you are blessed.
I am blessed.
Yes.
Hey! No. Whatever. Hey! Abadofo. I can think I can meet him over. Meet him over. Hey!
Mama, you have no.
Hey! No! Batawa.
Oh, come on.
My children came back from the city. They brought rapper for me to celebrate Mother's Sunday. Follow me and celebrate my Hey! Abadofo.
Abigail, you are so lucky. Kegi Kama. Please, you have children that can take care of you. What about me?
But no,
I don't have anybody. I don't even have. Even if it's one like this, God should have blessed me with one.
My sister. Ebezina. For how long will you cry? And then she get. Sit. Stop crying. The more you cry, the more you attract blindness. Look at you, look at blindness. You trying to position.
What's your all this?
Hey mama, please stop crying, okay? We are here for you. We're also your children, okay? When you are leaving, we'll find something good for you, okay?
You know Yoku? They're also your children. He's also your son.
Okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Is it your fault? It's not your fault. Stop crying.
Hey Jennifer, wait, you take out an envelope, okay, mama?
Biko.
Stop crying, okay?
It's okay. Look at you, look at blindness, so.
I said it. Mama, one day,
You will kill somebody with the sweetness of your food.
Mama!
Mama?
Do you like the food?
Mama, like is an understatement. I love it. The food is so delicious. You will never change with the system of your cooking.
Akwa si no kenye ana akanka na ego ma agba. Make sure you eat the meat. It's yours.
Hey, Mama. That reminds me. Who was that woman that came in crying that time? What happened to her?
Oh, Norma. You don't know her? Ah, she's our Igwe's first wife now. You know, she had issues with Igwe, and although when they had a problem, she never had a child. And since then, she has been in pain.
You mean she has no child at her age?
Not even one. Ofunwa. To call her own. No, when she came here, saw me dancing, rejoicing, because you people came to celebrate me during Modern Sunday. She felt the pain. I wish she had her own child. One of the one young Negutam.
You know what, Mama? Before I leave, I will give you money to give to her. And when I'm coming back again, I'll buy some wrappers for her.
Oh, is in one. Shut up, come on, Yangi. Come here. What you said is true. I like it. I'm very happy. This is good news. And another thing again, please, my daughter. You will help me talk to your brother. Let him also see if he can support.
I will. Mama, let's not forget your food. Your food is so nice.
Mama, I told you to stop crying. I told you that you're my mother and I'm your daughter. You see those things that woman's children bought for her? I will buy double for you. Mama, as long as you have me, you have no problem. Oh, Ebezina, Biko. It's okay, clean your eyes, eh? No, it's okay. Name.
I won't cry again.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, smile for me if you won't cry. I want to see those smile.
I'm smiling already.
I'm happy now. Oh? Mama, I've been meaning to ask you. What problem do you have with my father, the king? Mama, this has been going on for years. And when I ask my father, he doesn't tell me what I want to hear. And it's really making me worried. Please, Mama, can you tell me what is going on?
Honestly, I am tired of complaining and calling on people to help me talk to your father. Everything we have tried to do, at least to make a headway between your father and I, has been all in vain. Your father does not listen to anyone. Even me, he doesn't want to listen to me.
Mama, why didn't you tell me?
But you have never asked. But now that you have asked, I'll tell you when I'm in a better mood.
It's okay. It isn't now. Oh, everything will be all right.
Thank you.
So, Mama, is there anything you'd want me to do for you to help you with?
No, I don't need anything. You're a princess.
Mama, are you sure?
Princess walking around here.
Okay, have you eaten?
No, but I'll eat later. I have small yam in the house.
Okay, let me make it for you.
No, don't worry about it. You dirty your princess clothes. You cannot wear this kind of clothes and cook around here.
Mama.
Take a look at this place.
Your stomach is worth more than my royal regalia. Let me go to the kitchen and make food for you. Oh?
Please be careful.
Mama, I will. Okay? I will.
That was how the Igwe, your father, threw me out of the palace for something I knew nothing about. Your mother framed me up. Your father did not give me the opportunity to defend myself. Neither did he investigate the matter. It looked as if he planned everything with your mother. And all my efforts to prove my innocence has not yielded anything.
So you mean my mother was the one who started all this?
Yes.
No wonder anytime I bring up this issue, she will be the one to carry it on her head. I can't believe this. So what did the elders say about this?
Nothing. They all supported your father. You know, they are all afraid of him. Except Ichioke is here, who stood his ground that day to defend and protect me. But your father wouldn't let him. You know, your father is very autocratic. He believes everything he says should be final. And he's been having problems with the Ichie. Because ever since, Ichie has been trying to find a way to see if he can bring us together to sort this whole thing out. But your father has not let him. But he wouldn't let your father put him down.
My queen, you see this matter? I must end it.
How do you intend to go about it? I don't want you to have problems with your father. Neither do I want to continue to have problems with him. I am tired already. I don't want to have problems with this, with the kingdom. Alama people, I am tired. I'm just believing that God, I don't know, a man of God came here the other day and said that God gave him a message to give me that my everlasting joy is coming soon. I didn't understand that part.
You mean a man of God came here and told you this?
Yes. I was inside. Just coming out, I saw him standing here.
My queen, that statement is deep. Yes. It might not be what you're thinking. It's okay. My queen, let's eat. I know you must be famished. It's okay. Let's eat. What kind of a man are you? Why are you like this?
Sorry, are you talking to me? Because I don't understand what you mean.
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I am talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You and I know that there is problem in this palace. Because father sent Mommy Unoma out of this palace for no just cause. And our mother is the brain behind everything. Because I confronted Mommy Unoma and she told me everything that happened. And you are the prince, for crying out loud. You're not doing anything about it. Because you believed everything father said to you. Without even investigating the matter to find out the truth. And you call yourself a man.
Are you done? Are you done? Because I still don't understand what you're talking about. Because I'm lost.
Why won't you be lost? Because you're a fool. You're useless. If not that you're my twin brother, I won't have anything to do with you. That woman is suffering. And you're the prince of this kingdom. Do something. Go and talk to father to bring his first wife and #1 queen of this kingdom back to the palace. Go and do that. Else, something bad will happen. And I know the gods will not sleep over that innocent woman's case. Do something! Be a man!
Listen to me. I don't care if the gods sleep or not. I have my own life to live. I have my own problems. And I need you to understand that. Please.
It's fine. It's all right. I'll let you be.
What happened? I overheard you and your brother talking loud at yourselves.
Father, I want to ask you a question.
Why?
If a pregnant woman goes to the hospital to deliver a baby, and unfortunately the baby dies, who will you blame? The doctor or the woman?
I don't think I should blame the woman. I will obviously blame the doctor, because most times the doctors and nurses are very careless.
Good. Perfect answer. I want to ask you another question.
It's okay.
If any member of this kingdom has a case with someone, and the person comes to you as the Igwe of this kingdom, what will you do in terms of judgment?
Obviously, I would like to hear from the other party before delivering judgment.
Good. Another perfect answer. So why is Mommy Noma's case different? Why? That poor innocent woman was pregnant. She went to the hospital to deliver her baby. One thing led to the other and she lost the child. Why did you use that against her? Instead, you kicked her out of this palace for so many years without asking how she's faring, whether she's eating or not. Father, that is not right. What kind of a man are you? Why did you do that?
Who fed you with this rubbish? Because obviously, whoever did is a stupid person.
Mommy Noma told me. And point of correction, she is not stupid. She's a good and responsible woman. Father, you believe Mom cooked up story? I mean, is there something you're not telling me? Are you under mother's spell? Because this whole thing baffles me. I am not understanding what is going on.
Ben, let this be the very last time you come here to spew rubbish to me. Disrespecting your father? Now leave my side. I said leave my side.
Father, I am sorry for talking to you in that manner. But the truth must be told. Mommy Noma is innocent of all the allegations leveled against her. She is innocent. Stop believing Mom's story. Be a man. You are the king of Aloma Kingdom. Do the right thing. Bring Mommy Noma back to this palace. She belongs here. Father, if you do not do it, I will do it myself.
I remember telling you to leave my presence.
Fine. I will leave. But don't forget what I said. Bring Mommy Unoma back to this palace.
My father has given me a condition. If I must take my inheritance, I have to find a wife. What do I do now? Okay. I have a plan. I have a plan.
My daughter, are you sure of what you want to do?
Yes. Since the elders are not doing anything about this except you, and my father is not listening to anyone, Let me do this. Let me do this to stop this whole mess. Enough is enough. Please, Ichie. I'll be expecting you at the palace on Okwo Market Day. Morning time, please.
For Market Day?
Yes.
It's okay. I will be there. I will be there. And I am solidly behind you. I will be there.
Thank you. Thank you, Ichie. I have to be on my way so I can arrange other things.
Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. I wish this girl is a man.
Hey, my daughter, if you can really do this for me, I swear I'll be the happiest woman on earth. Even if I end my life here, I don't mind. At least let me be free.
Mama, don't worry. I have concluded my plans already. And I've discussed with Ichie Okezie. He said he will be there.
Ichie Okezie agreed to come.
Not only did he say he will come, he said he will be the first person to be there.
Hey! May the gods of our Lord Kingdom bless and protect you for me.
Easy.
I just wish you're my daughter.
Mama, I'm your daughter and you're my mother.
What is going on here? Because I can't remember sending for any of you. Shepherd, what is going on?
Your Majesty, I am surprised at this question.
Me too, I'm surprised. So I thought you were the one that sent for us.
What? Sent for you? How? Chief Priest. And what is this woman doing here?
Enough of this question, Father.
What?
I sent for them.
Huh?
I told them you asked me to invite them.
You did what?
You did?
Yes, Father.
And you lied to them that I invited them to this palace?
Yes, Father, I did that. Because the elders of this land are not saying anything concerning this matter. The people of this kingdom are looking up to you people to do something. But nobody wants to do anything. So I took it upon myself as the princess of this kingdom to solve this matter.
Princess, and what is the matter if I may ask?
Good question, Ichie. I know you all know this woman. My father's first wife. And the #1 queen of this kingdom. For years now, my father chased her out of this palace because of the allegation leveled against her by my mother. My father and the elders of this land did not investigate the matter to find out if she's truly guilty of what she's accused of. You all supported my father. So I'm sorry if you feel offended that I lied. My father invited you all. I just want you people to know the truth. I just want the truth to come out. The chief priest is here. I want my mother to take an oath. If she truly saw this woman sleeping with the gods. And Unoma here will also take an oath to prove her innocence.
She will do it. She will take the oath.
So yes, we will know who is right or wrong. Thank you, Ikwe. Thank you, elders of our land.
Dubem, do you know that you are very stupid? So in your mind, you think you can run the affairs of this kingdom when the king, your father, is still alive? Is something wrong with you? We have elders and your brother here to do that even if the king is not here. Look at this girl. And I was screaming. Ha! Hey.
Chief Priest, I am disappointed. You got an invitation to my palace. You did not bother to find out. You just obeyed the order. I'm disappointed.
Well, Your Majesty, I am the chief priest of Ajala deity, owned by the people of Aloma Kingdom. It is not your personal property. Every person in this kingdom has a right to bring a case before Ajala deity for arbitration. Ajala will always do the needful by ensuring that justice prevails. Your daughter brought this case before the deity. She seeks nothing but the truth. Is there anything wrong with that? Therefore, this oath-taking must proceed.
Objection! Bald head. My mother will do no such thing.
Let's watch and see.
Chief Priest, why would you talk like that? When the king here has not taken decision whether the oath-taking should proceed or not, you just jump into conclusion that we should take the
Keep your mouth shut. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
What he said,
what decision are you talking about?
Was it right?
What decision are you talking about? Huh?
The king is here.
The complainant is here. The two people that will take the oath are also here. So it's 2 against 1. Which decision are you talking about? The oath taking must proceed. Chief Priest.
In your house, eh? The oath taking must proceed in your house. Nania, oath taking must proceed.
Chief Priest, go home.
Huh?
I will send for you when I need you. And as for my daughter, I remain the king of this great kingdom. She has no power, neither does she have the right to take decisions on my behalf. Everyone, go home.
What? Father, what did you say? Everyone should go home? Oh, now I get it. Now I see what you all are doing. I get it now. Father, if you do not solve this matter, then I will do it my own way.
Obidegu, this thing you just did now, how does it look like?
It looks fantastic.
If I talk now, you will say that Ichiokeze is insulting you.
That's not possible.
Be careful. Mind how you talk to me.
Ichiokeze, go home.
Mind how you talk to me. My friend, keep quiet.
Go home.
I'm asking you, this thing you just did now, how does it look like? If I talk now, you will say Ichiokeze is insulting you. How does it look like?
It looks good.
Let me tell you. You see this oath-taking? This oath-taking must proceed. Are you not ashamed? A problem that you cannot solve in this your palace, in your house for years. Your daughter here brought in a chief priest to solve it, and you are here talking what I do not understand. And this, I wonder why they gave you people this red card because you did not want it.
Okay,
I have a question for you. Before walking into this palace, did you eat garlic?
Question without answer.
You're close to me, and your mouth smells of garlic.
Are you talking to me?
Ichiokeze, go home.
Nnameka. Hey, Igwe. Norma, let's go. You see, we will come back and see this oath taking. It's going to take it. Go and get prepared. You see this oath taking? You must take it. Norma, let's go. You.
Come and stand, take oath.
Why would you do
Look
that?
at this.
Why would you do that?
Mbanya yirembutu.
So you're cousin, right? You.
Let's go. Mbanya yirembutu. Rembutu.
Chase them out and shut the gate.
Princess, What was the meaning of what you just did? Are you mad?
No, mother. I am not mad. I just want the people to know the truth and shame the devil.
And what devil are you talking about?
The devil that set Mommy Unoma up. That made father throw her out of this palace.
Princess, why are you doing this to me? Eh? Why choose that witch of a woman over me, your mother? What did I do to you to deserve this?
Mom, what did you do? Don't tell me all this is true.
What?
Because why are you so worried? Why don't you want to take the oath? Why are you refusing to take it?
Now, young lady, listen to me. The next time you talk to me like that, I will do something to you that you will regret here and now. Oginedu?
Madam, no matter how you threaten me, you cannot stop me from saying the truth. You cannot stop me.
Dubem, sit down. Dubem, sit down.
And who are you to tell me to sit down?
I care about you. I mean, you've been standing and talking for hours. Sit down so you don't get paralyzed. Dubem, sometimes I wonder and ask myself questions like, are you truly my sister? I know we look alike and we are supposed to be a twin, but I'm beginning to doubt that you're my sister because you don't even act like me. Your behavior is very, very, very disgusting. Sometimes you forget you're from a royal family.
How do you expect me to act like you? How? You're just an empty vessel.
What?
Your brain is empty. Just look at you. You call yourself a prince. Now let me ask you. If that woman is your mother or sister, and someone is treating her like that, how would you feel?
Oh, shut up. A woman like that cannot be my mother. Have you taken a good look at me? I'm a prince. I'm royalty. I have integrity. She can't have a son like me. It's impossible.
Do you see it? Can you see that you don't have sense? This is why I always keep having problems with you. Because your brain is totally empty. It's empty.
Father, you keep staring at her without saying a word. Why? And you, don't insult me!
And if I insult you, what will you do? If telling you the truth is an insult, then I will insult you again and again till you change. What is wrong with you, Prince? Now let me tell you. You see that woman? As long as she is father's wife, first wife, whether she has a child or not, she is our first mother. Not minding mom gave birth to us. She is our first mother. So get that into your thick skull.
You're out of your mind.
You are out of your mind.
You have no idea what you're saying.
Princess, no, listen to me. Next time you try that nonsense you did out there, I'll make sure I disown you and have nothing to do with you henceforth.
Fine. Fine. You can go ahead and disown me. Go ahead. I mean, for so many years you disowned Mommy Unoma. But she didn't die. She's alive. So you can go ahead and disown me, Father. Look, Father. 2 months. If after 2 months, nothing is done about this case, I will write the names of everyone at this palace and submit it to Ajala's shrine.
What?
Everyone must take an oath.
What did you say?
Try me.
Hey!
Look at this girl. Your Majesty. She just walked out on you. This girl. What has come over this girl? My Your Majesty, she just insulted you.
Mom.
You know the kind of daughter you have. If she goes to Ajala shrine for anything, there'll be trouble. Oh.
Mom. Why are you bothered about her?
No. Hey, I'm not scared. Dude.
But your hands are clean. You're innocent, aren't you?
Of course I am.
So why don't you act like you are?
Very clean, my darling. Yes.
It is said that a clear conscience fears no accusation.
No accusation, no. A clear conscience. It fears no accusation. You see that? Look at it.
Ichioke, I called you to warn you for the very last time. Stay away from my family. Stop drawing my family's name to the mud. I am warning you.
Your Majesty, you are confusing me. How can you call me here to warn me when you have not told me what I did? What wrong have I done?
So
what did I do?
So you do not know what you have done. You do not know what you have been doing. You do not know the activities you have been wrecking in my family. You are asking me what you have done?
Your Majesty, I don't know anything. Honestly, I don't know anything. What did I do?
So, tell me, why did you plan with my daughter, Dubem, to bring a chief priest to my palace without my knowledge? Trying to force my wife to swear to an oath of something she knows nothing about. Ichioke, are you mad?
Your Majesty, point of correction. Not your wife, but your wives. Your wives, because as far as I know, when Norma is still your wife, not married that she's no longer living in this palace because of what some evil people in this palace did to her. She's still your wife, so not wife, but wives.
So who are you referring? No, let me know, who are you referring?
Who am I referring?
Yes.
The people I am referring to know themselves. They know themselves in this palace because of their evil mind. Your Majesty, let me ask you. But Combo, by the way, is this why you brought me here? Huh? Is this why you brought me here? What is wrong with what your daughter Dubem did? She brought in a chief priest to take an oath to solve the problem that has been lingering in this palace, which nobody could solve, including you, Digwe. She wants the whole problem to be solved so that there will be peace in this palace, in this kingdom. Huh? By the way, why did you refuse your wife Genika to take the oath? Because I know that Norma was ready to take the oath to prove her innocence. Besides, your daughter came to me and told me about this, and I supported her. Because she wants to solve the problem in this palace forever and ever so that there will be peace here. But let me tell you, Your Majesty, you see that your daughter, Princess Dubem, you have to handle her with care because she's a tigress. If you don't handle her with care, Your Majesty, give him. Mark my word.
I am taking you back to where we started. I called you to warn you to stay away from my family. Go and mind your miserable family and leave the royal household alone.
Fine. Very, very fine. But let me tell you, what I'm asking for is not possible. Because the affairs of this palace is the affairs of this kingdom, and the affairs of this kingdom is affairs of me, one of the West cabinet here. So I must tell you the truth. So if you want me to stay away from your family, fine. You have to step down from this throne. So that another person will take over. Then I will keep away from your family.
Ichioke, what did you say? That I should step down from the throne for you to come in to take the throne of my forefathers?
Very simple. That's the only way out.
It is very obvious that you are truly mad. You have got up.
I heard voices.
Can you imagine him? He said I should step down from my throne for him to become the king of this kingdom.
He said that to you?
He just said it.
That's an abomination. Did you say that to my father? You want my father to step down as king so you can become king? Are you out of your mind? You wretched old man?
You know you are a fool. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. So your father told you something, that I did this or that. You did not ask questions. You just believed him.
So I should believe you over my father. You are out of your mind.
Aye.
Listen to me. Get out of this place before I give you a dirty slap.
So when you're looking for someone to kill him, not from here.
What do you want to do? You want to hit me with this?
Give you a dirty slap.
You want to slap me?
Yes.
Just try that nonsense. Kamala hear me na mama nyegi besides 24.
Eh?
Try yeah. Kamala hear me na mama nyegi besides 24.
Father, what is EB? Tell him he knows what is called EB.
Your life.
What is EB? It's an
You
Igbo
don't know
man.
what is EB.
No.
And you call yourself an Igbo man.
What?
Oversized scrotum.
Is that your plan for me?
Pillow size. Or do you want me to double it?
Father, run away from this man. This man is a dangerous man.
Not do anything. Get out of mine.
Oh, you are going. You should come and stay. Let me see if I go make it to double.
Leave my palace.
Obidegu. Go and tell your wife, Geneka, to get ready to take that oath. Because chief priest is coming back here for another oath taking. And she must take it. Unless you have another plan. Because I don't trust you.
Leave my
palace.
Leave my palace right now.
It's okay.
Relax and be comfortable, okay? You're welcome. I want you to be comfortable. You're going to be staying in this room so that nobody will know you're here, okay? But if you need anything at all, let me know and I'll provide it for you.
Hey, but I'm afraid, what if this whole thing cast and it puts you into trouble when they find out I'm here? You know what that means? They will kill you. Right. And me, they will even throw me into the evil forest. What am I doing here?
It's okay. You don't have to worry yourself, okay? I told you everything will be fine. The only thing I want you to do for me is, anytime you need anything, be it food, water, clothes, anything at all, just let me know, okay? And like I said, you'll be staying here so nobody knows you're here.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I just wish I'm your biological mother.
Oh, Mama.
I just wish all these things would have been different.
Mama, have you forgotten what I told you? I said I would do what a daughter would do for the mother. Because I take you as my mother. Okay?
Thank you very much. God bless you. No evil I shall see you.
Amen. Amen. Let me get you something to eat.
No, it's already too late. When we go to the kitchen now, problem will start. Besides, I'm not hungry. See where people are living, see where I'm living. Did I do anything? Why am I suffering like this? See the shine where I'm living, see where people are living in luxury. And I'm suffering just because I got married and did not have a child.
I will take care of you. Like I said, everything will be fine. Let me get everywhere ready so we can sleep. Okay? I called you here to talk to you. Henceforth, I need my privacy. I don't want to see any of you in my room and the other maidens. So you pass the information to others. Adora.
Yes, my princess.
I don't want you coming to clean my room. I'll do that myself for now.
But my princess, it's my job to do that.
And I said I do not want you to do that again.
Okay, my princess.
Where is Chizoba?
She went to get something, my princess.
Alright, when she comes back, tell her that anytime she's bringing my food, she should knock and I will get the food myself. Is that clear?
Yes, my
Okay,
princess.
my princess.
Alright, you guys can get back to work.
Thank you, my princess.
My queen, you look so beautiful. This is how you're supposed to be looking as the first queen of Aloma Kingdom. It is your right, and nobody can take that away from you, not even my mother. Okay?
Thank you so much, my daughter. I don't know what would I have done without you. Thank you. Look at me, change within the twinkle of the eyes.
You're welcome. And this is how you will continue to look.
Got a few. Look at me.
My queen, what's that?
Oh, I don't know. Somebody's knocking. I don't know who is knocking.
My queen, relax. Nobody is entering this room, okay? Relax. Who is that?
My princess, is me, Chizoba. I brought you food.
Alright, drop it down and go.
Okay, my princess.
It's Chizoba, she brought food.
It's alright.
Let me get it.
Careful.
Ready? So eat.
So how about your own? Come, let's eat together.
No, Gwen. I'm fine, okay?
Don't worry, we can share it. Come sit.
Okay, I will eat a little.
Don't worry, sit.
Just a little, 2 spoons, I'm okay.
I will eat and give you the spoon to eat.
So Tessie, what's your body count?
My prince, what kind of stupid question is this?
I want to know how many men you have.
No, my prince.
How many men have you dated before you met me?
Get useless.
Igwe.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. Good afternoon, my queen. How are you? I'm fine, my queen.
You're welcome. Hey, stand up. Stand up. I have to sit before you. Sit down.
Son, Igwe, you said you have something to discuss with your mother and I.
Yes. Father. Hey, get up. Father, I brought her to you. I want you to access her and tell me if she's good for marriage. What do you think?
Sit down.
Where are you going?
I'm Tessie, sir.
Hey, speak out. He can't hear you.
I'm Tessie, sir.
Hey, listen. You say, I'm Tessie, Your Majesty.
I'm Tessie, Your Majesty.
My prince.
You heard what he said. Are you both in agreement concerning what he just said?
Yes, Your Majesty. I like him. He's very funny.
Very funny.
It's all right. There are a few questions I want to ask you. And come to a conclusion and get back to you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You are welcome, my dear.
Thank you, my queen.
Take her to your room and have her entertainment.
To my room?
Better still take her to the garden.
Yeah, to the garden. I can't take her to my room.
Please tell the maids to serve her.
Yes. Let's go. To your left, to your left.
Thank you.
Wait, let me open it.
Look, Tessie. I am not against you marrying my brother, the prince. But this marriage cannot work. What I am saying is there is a very big problem in this palace. And until that problem is solved, no other woman is coming into this palace.
Are you out of your mind?
So tell the prince here, your so-called fiancé, to do what he's supposed to do as the prince of this kingdom.
Dubem, are you out of your mind? Hey, wait! Dubem! Dubem! Tessie, wait! Tessie! Dubem, listen carefully. I'm trying to build a relationship with that girl because I intend to get married. And if she shows me the character I want to see, hopefully she would become my wife. But the point is, I do not want you to interfere. Because when you interfere, you disrespect me. Stay away from my affairs. Else.
Else what? Else what? What would you do? You can't do more than a church rat. You're just bringing all this up. Prince, you can't do anything. If Mommy Unoma doesn't return to this palace, no other woman will enter this palace. Not even Tessie. If you try me, I will show you the power of a woman. Excuse me.
Dubem, come back here. Dubem! I can clearly see I have exhausted my patience on you. Okay. Mom.
Yeah?
You need to caution Dubem. She's overstepping her boundaries.
What happened?
I feel very disrespected. Dubem told my guest there's a problem in the palace, and if the problem is not solved, I can't move on with my marriage plans. Isn't that disrespectful? What nonsense is that? What right does she have to speak to my guest? Is she out of her mind?
Why would she say something like that? And what problem is she talking about? Because I know we don't have any problem here. Eh? Anyway, see, don't worry. I will talk to her, okay? Don't worry. And what about Tessie? How did she take it?
Well, she felt very hurt. But then it's something I can handle. Dubem needs to be cautioned. She needs to be controlled. I'm the prince. She's not.
My darling, don't worry. I've told you, I will talk to her and I will even tell your daddy to talk to her. Don't worry, okay? It's all right.
Oh!
I think you're so funny. Let me. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, Mom.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Money, how much also?
Enjoy it. If this one is not for you,
I know.
I want you to be fine.
I think it's a lot.
You like it, right? What do you want?
I'd like to have a conversation with you.
Speak.
In your room.
No, you can't enter my room.
Why?
Because I do not want you to enter my room.
Are you hiding something?
What could I possibly be hiding?
I'm the prince. I must enter your room.
And I am the princess. I am telling you, you can't enter my room.
I am your twin brother. I must enter the room.
And I'm your twin sister, and I'm telling you, you can't enter my room.
You're asking the prince of this kingdom to stand outside? What disrespect.
Look, Prince, if you have anything to say it here. Or you can go downstairs and wait for me.
I must speak to you in your room. Yes.
I see. I can see you don't have anything to say.
Mom, Dubem is acting very suspicious.
How?
So I went to her room to have a conversation with her. She refused to give me access.
To her room?
Of course. Then I overheard some of the maidens saying she instructed them not to come close to her room anymore. I don't understand what is going on. Something tells me that she's up to something. She's definitely hiding something.
So all these things has been happening in this house and nobody told?
Mom, you see, I don't like to speak without facts. I wanted to be sure. And now I'm sure. There's something going on.
I'm going to see her now.
I think you should.
Princess!
Oh, what are you doing? Eh?
I want to talk with you.
Talk with me?
Whatever.
Mom, what is it? A few minutes ago, Prince was here saying the same thing. And now you're here. Why do you want to talk in my room? Look, Mom, if you have anything to say, just say it here. Or we can go to the sitting room or even your bedroom. Why must you talk in my room?
Okay, have you finished talking? Now let me repeat myself. I want to talk to you in your room.
Why? I don't see any reason why we should talk in my room. If you have anything to say it here. I need my privacy.
Princess, is there something you are hiding from me, your mother? Something you don't want me to see or know.
Oh, what will I possibly hide from you? I'm not hiding anything, I just need to
let me...
Mom, what are you trying to force yourself in my room? Ha, Mom, don't do that. Just go, eh? There is nothing.
Hey, God. Hey. Princess! Princess, open this door. Open this door. Oh, so it has gotten to this. You locking me out. It has gotten to that extent. What is going on? Okay, we shall see. Hey.
Rubbish. Who was that? Ginika, right?
Yes.
Hi. Dubem. My princess, I'm no longer comfortable with this whole arrangement. Are you sure this will not put us into trouble? How long am I going to remain in this room hiding? For how long? Is it not better you take me back to my place? At least there I can have peace. Let me go there, stay there and die, no problem. This place is no longer my place.
No, I disagree with you. This is your house, your home. I believe in a short time, you will reclaim your space in this palace. Please, nothing is going to happen to you. And nobody will find out that you're here. I promise you.
Are you sure?
My queen, don't worry yourself, okay? Everything will be fine. And you know I'm always here for you, right? I'm always here for you, full time. So don't worry. And I need you to relax. Relax. Do you need anything?
No, I don't need anything. I am fine. You've done enough already.
I have not done anything. Let me use the toilet. Go ahead.
Chizoba,
Yes, Your Majesty.
where is the princess? Why is she not eating with us?
Your Majesty, I have served her food to her in the room.
Why? She should be here eating with us.
For a while now, she instructed me not to be serving her food here in the dining. She asked me to be bringing it to her room.
It's okay, you can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My king, that young woman is up to something. I think she's hiding something. We need to dig deep.
Chizoba,
Yes, Your Majesty.
Adora,
Yes, Your Majesty.
you first. When last did you enter the princess's room?
Your Majesty, it's been long. She doesn't allow us anywhere close to her room anymore. Even when I took her food to her, I stood by the door and waited for her to come and collect the food herself. She said she needed privacy, Your Majesty.
And you, Adora?
Yes, Your Majesty. It's been a while. She instructed me to stop using her room.
It's okay, you may go.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey, you. You, come back.
Yes,
Father, I suggest we search her room.
Maybe there's something she's hiding there.
Come.
Take us to the...
Come
Where are
here.
the guards?
Now you're going to go to her room, knock on the door, and say you want to tell her something. But we're going to be behind you.
Okay, my friend.
Do you understand?
Yes, my friend.
Now let's go. Father, let's all go. Lead the way. Where's the guard?
My achalugo. Come, give me a 360. Just give me a 360. Now you look like a true queen.
And that is why I'm a queen. Who is ruining our moment? Who is knocking?
Who is that?
Did you request anything from her?
No. What do you want?
Please open the door, my princess.
I told you. I told you this is not safe at all. I told you.
My queen, relax. It's just about the cook. Maybe she brought food. Don't worry, let me find out.
It's alright.
Okay, yes.
Search everywhere.
What are you
Search
people doing in my
everywhere.
room? Search where? Don't even come close. Don't you dare come close.
Move in.
What do you want? What's the meaning of this? Huh? What's the meaning of this embarrassment? What do you want? Father, why are you embarrassing me like this?
Hey, search everywhere.
Search everywhere for what?
Shut up.
If you need anything, tell me, I will give it to you.
Shut up.
Why are you searching my room?
Search everywhere. Search everywhere.
Father, this is not nice. Father. Okay, did you see anything? Have you searched? Did you find anything?
Search the bathroom.
There's nothing there, man.
What do you mean? Open up.
There is nothing there. Can you just stop searching my room? What do you...
Who is there?
Wow.
Who is there? You! Who is there?
Oh, this is what you have been up to.
This witch. Who is she hiding? This witch!
You!
No, so this is what you have been up to. What are you doing in my palace?
Father,
tell me!
Father, what kind of question is that? She's in her husband's house.
What?
What husband?
Come here. Come.
My own husband?
Move forward.
Don't you dare touch her. Mother, enough. Enough! You are the cause of all this.
You are mad.
Just let her be.
God, take her away.
Take her away!
Don't do that, please.
And how dare you?
Father, let her stay. This is her home.
Excuse
She's
me?
your wife.
How dare you? The king said she should leave. What part of that don't you understand?
You call yourself a man. No, why not do it yourself? Why don't you do it yourself rather than putting this guy in problem? Please shift.
Princess. Norma. Norma, what did I do to you? Look at what you're doing. Turning my children against themselves. Norma, what is it? Haven't you done enough? Haven't you done enough damage already?
Shut your mouth! Gideka, shut that your stinking mouth! Are you mad? If there is anyone that have done damages in this household, that person is you! It is you! Gideka, what is your problem? Why are you like this? What will you gain by destroying me? What offense did I do to you that you're trying to kill me? Ginika, I brought you into my home, into this palace, for you to be the Igwe's second wife, as my friend, so they can give him children. I couldn't give him. But what did you do? Because I was entering your eyes, you planned evil against me so that Igwe will send me out of my own matrimonial home. You succeeded. But let me tell you, God in heaven is watching us. There is always a day around. How dare you talk to me? Don't you dare. Are you mad?
I'm going to fight.
No, are you mad? Try it. Try one more time to let this your left hand at me. I will yank it off from your body. Any day you try to do this, I will teach you the lesson of your life you will never forget. Don't take my calmness for granted. Husband snatcher. Do I blame you?
Your Highness, are you letting her walk away?
You come and kill me.
Did you plan this?
Don't you dare ask me stupid questions.
Did you try to slap me?
No. I kissed you. Well, if slapping you again and again will reset your brain, I will do it. Rubbish.
What?
Hey, come here. Where are you going?
Nowhere, my prince.
What are you doing? What are you doing here? Why are you acting very suspicious? Why are you sweating?
Nothing, my prince.
No, what's happening?
I'm innocent, my prince.
You're acting very suspicious. What have you been up to?
No, my prince.
What's going on here? What just happened? Is this happening for real? Am I dreaming? Am I hallucinating?
Your Majesty, when are you sending Unowu for the thing I asked you about the princess?
You may need to remind me, I can't remember.
Oh, come on, Father. We talked about finding a solution to my sister's problem, right?
Okay.
In my opinion, I strongly believe she's under a spell. She's been brainwashed, and that woman is responsible.
But, you do not expect me as a king to be going from one native doctor's house to the other. What will people say?
Your Majesty, that is why I said send Onowu. I never asked you to go yourself. Send Onowu, let him go and do the finding.
Obidegu!
Hold on now!
Obidegu!
Hey! This old man! Are you a lunatic? Don't you have respect for royalty? Don't you have respect for the king? What are you doing here? Why are you coming to the palace uninvited? Who invited you?
Wait, I can hear some voices shouting, but I can't see anybody here. Did anybody say anything?
Ichiokeze, are you saying that you cannot see my son, the prince, talking to you?
I can't see anybody. I only saw a log of dry wood.
Oh, shut up, you old man.
Ichiokeze, I warned you earlier. I warned you earlier never to come to my palace to talk rubbish. Now tell me, what are you doing here now? Why have you come?
Your Majesty, Obidegu, I am not here to insult anybody, rather to tell the people I'm seeing here the truth, only if they will listen.
Ichiokeze, say whatever you want to say and get out of this place.
Get the hell out.
Okay, fine. I will talk. Geneka, let me start from you by asking you a few questions. Now tell me, when your father was alive, was he a native doctor?
Oh no, what the hell is this?
What sort of question is this? Okay, let me answer him. He was not a native doctor.
Oh, really?
Are you satisfied?
Really? Okay, is any of your relatives a native doctor?
Oh no.
Where is this one
What the hell is going on here?
Ichiokeze, don't you know me? Don't you know where I come from? I do not have any native doctor in my family.
Okay. So, where did you get the charm used in Thai and Wigwe that made him not to behave like a normal human being again? Because as far as I'm concerned, Awagwa is lost.
This man is out of his mind.
Ichiokeze, what has come over you? What is the meaning of this?
No.
Now leave my palace.
Like, get out.
I should get out.
Yes.
I will leave, but that will not stop me from telling you the truth. Obidegu, I was just coming from Norma's house and I saw your daughter, the princess, in her house. They told me everything that happened here. How all of you threw Norma out of this compound. How you humiliated and treated her bad. Why? Now let me tell you. You see that woman you are maltreating anyhow. Time shall come when you will regret every bit of action you took against her. Mark my word.
Next time you ask me or accuse me like this, I will arrest you. I will make sure I arrest you and put you in jail. Alana Badagi.
Arrest me, Ichiokezie. You arrest Ichiokezie. Bia, Geleka. Let me also tell you. You better get those your policemen ready to arrest me because I'm not done talking.
Father, can you tell this man to get out of here?
Bia, hey, listen to me. Ochaka Omaka. You debi look here na. I got am them mad ebu abu. Ama me that name that he.
Oh, shut up. You're hungry, you need some money. Just tell us you need some money. We'll give you some money.
Do you have money? You don't have anything. You don't have anything. Let me tell you. You see that woman you are treating anyhow. Time shall come when you look for her to apologize to her. You will not see.
Oh, shut up, you old man.
As you shut up. Yeah, listen to me. Next time I'm talking to your father and you put your mouth there or ask me to shut up, I will use this walking stick and break your head.
Because you are stepping out of your bounds. You are stepping out of your bounds, okay?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You see that woman in Norma? You are treating anyhow. Eh? Time shall come when you live for that woman. And you have no other option than to commit suicide.
Back to sender.
Obidegu. Go and bring Norma back and stop humiliating her. Obidegu.
Can you get out of the palace? You're making noise.
And if I refuse, what will happen? If I refuse, what will happen? That's what you have done. You leave. Idiot.
I think it's high time I arrest this man. I will arrest him and keep him in police cell. What rubbish! Imagine the likeness. Accusing me. Your Majesty, you kept quiet.
You want me to fight the madman?
You have been avoiding me. You haven't been to the palace lately. Why is that?
To be honest, I'm scared. I'm scared of the palace.
Why are you scared of the palace?
Ever since your sister, the princess, said those words to me, I'm scared. I'm even thinking that she might hurt me if she see me there.
Sorry, did you say you're scared of my sister or you're scared of coming to the palace? Which?
Anyone. Both. I'm sorry.
I understand how you feel. But listen, what my sister said to you is nothing. I'm the prince. Okay? You should listen to me and not her. I know how you feel. I know she hurt you. But she's been warned. My parents actually warned her and told her not to do that again. So you're free to come to the palace because she's not going to hurt you. Besides, you're coming to see me, the prince, right? So when are you going to come?
Are you sure I'll be safe?
I can't lie to you.
It's okay, I'll come tomorrow.
You come tomorrow?
Yes.
You sure about that?
I am sure. I don't want any embarrassment from anybody.
I said don't worry about my sister and no one is going to embarrass you.
Okay, no problem. I'll come tomorrow.
Where are you going from here?
To go see a friend.
Okay, I can drop you off.
No, it's okay. I'm fine. I'll come tomorrow, I promise. I'll come. Bye.
hope you remember what we spoke about the last time.
Yes, I remember.
So what did he do when you told him about it?
Nothing. Though we did not say much, but he said there is nothing wrong here.
You mean the prince said that to you?
Of course, that's what he said.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure. What is happening?
My brother, I want to talk to you. I would like to talk to you.
Sit down.
I know what I will say might not mean anything to you, but I want you to listen. It's about Mommy Norma. My brother, the way you're treating that woman is not fair. My mind is telling me that we might need her attention tomorrow, and I hope it doesn't get too late. It's true she doesn't have a child, but we can play the role of being her children as her father's wife. Please. I know I'm trying my best in that aspect, but she needs you too. Please, let's do this together. I beg you. Think about it, my brother. Please.
Are you done? Dubem, are you aware I'm going to be the next king?
Yes, I'm aware.
And I have the right to banish you when I become king. I feel like you don't respect me. You need to start practicing how to honor me when I become king. Let me give you an example. When you see me, you need to say, "My lord, have you had breakfast? My lord, have you had lunch? My lord, can I give you a massage?" That is what a sister who loves her brother can do for him. But you keep stressing me. You keep talking about that God-forsaken woman. Listen and listen good. I have my mother who loves and takes good care of me. I don't need another mother. So if you don't have anything to say, I suggest you shut up.
It is very sad. Because I know before coming to talk to you, it will turn out like this. Nemeka, why don't you have any atom of human sympathy in you? Why? Just look at the way you're talking about Mommy Norma. Simply because she doesn't have a child. Remember, you're going to get married tomorrow. And you don't know how your fate will be. No problem. I'm only telling you this because there is something strange about Mommy Norma that God has not revealed to me yet. And it's been giving me sleepless nights.
Dubem, if you have nothing else to say, I command you to go into the kitchen and prepare bitter leaf soup and stockfish now.
You are mad. You hear me? You are mad. Rubbish.
Guards! Guards! You are mad.
My queen, I want to ask you.
Go ahead.
Apart from the small money I've been giving to you, How else do you make money to take care of yourself?
Oh, it has not been easy, though. It has not been easy, I must tell you, my child. I have my farm work I do. And when I'm not farming, I wash bitter leaf to sell in the market. To make small money, it can't really go down on one knee.
Like when you're really suffering. And my problem is that now that I'm done with school, I'll be traveling to the UK for my master's. But don't worry, I will come back after my master's and I will get a good job so that I can take good care of you and treat you like a queen.
It's alright. What can I do? Man, doesn't go boom.
Mba.
I'm gonna know the police if you get better more. I have to try my best.
So, Mama, are you done with farm work for this year?
No, I still have some unfinished work in the farm. Yes.
So when next will you be going to the farm?
Tomorrow. Yes, the weather is alright. There's no rain. So tomorrow I'll go. But why do you ask?
Nothing. I just want to know.
My princess. Such a caring one.
You're also a caring mother.
You're here.
Hi, Mom.
What's wrong with your hand?
No, I'm just trying to massage it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, hey. Move away.
Son.
Yes, Mom.
When was the last time you saw Tessie?
Tessie.
Yes.
Not too long ago. I guess she's still mad at me. The last time she visited, the princess hurt her feelings. So she's still angry, I guess.
I was thinking that this is the right opportunity you have to do whatever you want to do with her now that the